Hi, welcome back to Tech Talk. Today's episode is going to talk about one of those concepts, those ideas that a lot of us are surrounded by, but I think many of us don't understand or know how to implement. We're going to talk about smart and connected products. With me today is Brandon Mathis, Head of Product with Watts Digital. Brandon, welcome to Tech Talk.
Thank you, it's great to be here.
Brandon, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself? Tell us about your background.
Yeah, so my background actually started in manufacturing. I started on the production floor as a production supervisor, and then have been, over the last decade, been working in building digital products for a number of different companies. I've been here at Watts in the Watts Digital team for the last a little over 2 years, really helping to bring the smart and connected vision that we have alive.
Gotcha. So when it comes down to like manufacturing processes, understanding piece count, understanding, preventative maintenance, those types of things, data acquisition or understanding your system is paramount, right, in your background and such. So when you take a look at a broad portfolio of products that Watts has, how is Watts approaching being able to give some insight when it comes down to plumbing products that are installed into a facility?
Yeah. So Watts, a number of years ago set out to enable their products to be smart and connected, to get the data off of them, realizing as we look at trends in the market that are going on, from not only a talent perspective, so the fact that there are massive plumbing shortages throughout the country, and the fact that there's really a lack of visibility and understanding of a building's water systems, realizing that, hey, we actually need to be able to pull data off of the equipment that we're manufacturing for our customers, enable them to understand not only how is that equipment performing, but help to think about preventative maintenance, et cetera. And so I got really excited by the vision and where Watts was going, and taking my background in technology and everything else, really excited by what we're working and building here.
Okay, excellent. Can you talk a little bit about how some of these products or products within the Watts portfolio that are finding themselves in this smart and connected space? Give me some examples of those products and what some of the things that they do to help with this initiative.
Yeah. So when Watts set out on the journey to enable the smart and connected division, we started by building individual solutions. So for a water heater, for example, we built a platform to give you visibility in how your boilers or water heaters are performing, or how your individual backflow is performing. As we were talking with customers about those solutions, they loved getting visibility into that individual piece of equipment. But what they really wanted to understand was, how is that overarching system actually performing? How can I tie these different pieces together? And so with all that insight from our customers and even contractors, reps, and wholesalers, we said, hey, why don't we as a company enable this overarching ecosystem visibility for them? And this is where Nexa was born. How can we help, what we kind of say, make 1 + 1 = 3. How do we tie together a water softener to a water heater to the digital mixing valve to provide that overarching system, domestic hot water system and loop visibility for a customer? By understanding how that individual piece of equipment interacts with that overall system, you can truly understand and unlock areas of efficiency, areas for helping to help sustainability within your building.
Interesting. So from an efficiency standpoint, you mentioned being able to understand where you have waste, where you have needs for efficiency, if you will, within your facility. What are some of the other benefits that you can get from having this data acquisition, this smart and connected ecosystem of products?
Yeah, it really goes across the board. And if we think about the Nexa platform and what we're really looking to do, we think about it in 3 key areas. First of all, how can we help protect your building?
Okay, protect.
So how can we help you manage your building? And also, how can we help save water and also help save energy? And we do that through a combination of sensors, non-invasive sensors that we can place on pipes. We're talking temperature, pressure, flow sensors, and leak sensors, for example, and then also connecting the Watts equipment into the platform. So now you can start to get visibility into each of those systems and really help protect, manage, and save.
Gotcha. So you mentioned water heaters. You also mentioned digital mixing, which we came out with in 2015, the IntelliStation platform that's grown from there. You also take a look at those things like our leak detection, leak prevention system with Century Plus on the backflows, or the smart strainer that we're coming out with. So with Nexa, this platform that you talk about, is Nexa just a landing page for just these products? Is it more than that? What is Nexa overall?
That's a great question. Nexa Nexa is meant to bring these products and these systems together to help the end users and the individuals managing the facility. Also could be a sustainability manager within an organization. Really understand how are their water-related systems performing, identify areas of opportunity and areas where they can actually improve the system. What we're really trying to develop and what we've created here is an intelligent water management platform.
Okay.
So not only just giving you visibility to the individual piece of equipment, but it's really tying those pieces together. So for example, we can help you understand the amount of water flowing into your building, how that water flow is then moving, sub-metering throughout. So we can do not only full building, but also sub-metering visibility. So now you've got an understanding of how much water am I using and where is it flowing into the building. But then we can also place temperature, pressure sensors throughout the different water systems. So we can domestic hot water, hydronic cooling tower systems, and then also integrate that equipment all together. And now you've got full visibility into the water usage, identify areas of opportunity to help decrease that energy usage. And then we have the full suite of leak detection capabilities with the use of the detection group products and the leak defense products. All of that's integrated up into Nexa.
Okay. And nerd alert here, just real quick. So one of the things that I like is the fact that there's the term science fiction. And we all grew up with Star Trek, Star Wars, Star this, that, and the other, and everything else. And we would see in these movies things that just were so far-fetched to the imagination. Anymore, because of technology, science fiction is becoming science fact. So to your point, being able through a smart device, which before everything was hardwired or landlined or whatever, through a smart device, you can remotely take a look at your entire building.
Yep.
As not just as a building, not just as a compilation of components, but an entire ecosystem where you can see the action, the reaction, the reliance, or those types of things when it comes down to what's going on in a plumbing system.
Yep.
Correct?
That's exactly right. And if you think about it, since the 70s, there's this concept of the building management system, where you can get visibility into your hydronic, your HVAC, lighting, et cetera. But there is nothing for water systems. So as we realized, hey, we could actually create a new version of a building management system. We can non-invasively install sensors quickly and easily. Anyone can do it and connect in that equipment. And instead of paying all this money and having to hardwire everything, we can actually deploy this, within hours and get you that immediate visibility into what's going on. And to your point, take the science fiction type of a thing. We've got new IoT technology that's continuing to be developed and is improving. Let's take advantage of that and help our customers truly understand how they can improve their systems and how they're doing.